So the time is 9:05. We can start our today's class. Okay. So very good afternoon, very good morning to one and all. So in the last class, we have seen about the types of equilibrium, right? So I think you people might have understood something about the equilibrium, right? So may I continue? Yeah, so should I want to take the previous class topics, or I can continue from equilibrium? Tell me. Okay, students, please tell me whether you know about the various types of equilibrium. Okay, I think you might have known about it. Okay, so in today's class, we are going to discuss about what do you mean by the path as and the process. Okay, so any system that undergoes a change of state from one point to another point is known as process. Okay, see here, this is the system. Okay, this is one among the system. Initially, let us consider this. Let us put out an example like this. So here, this is the piston and a cylinder. Okay, so this is the piston and cylinder arrangement. It is initially at point 1. After when we pull this piston, what it happens? It moves to this distance. Okay, so this is at point 2. That is, it can be represented as any change of state undergoes from one equilibrium state to another is known as process. Okay, then the path, that is the series. So here in between, many series are here. Okay, I can put out another simple example. Suppose one student wanted to go from Perundurai to Erode. So what is his process? His process is to travel in a bus from Perundurai to Erode, right? So in between Perundurai to Erode, we have several path. The path, that is the road from Perundurai to Erode is the process. That is the process we have to reach Erode. Okay, process to reach Erode. Okay, so in between the Perundurai and Erode, we have so many number of bus stops. Okay, so it is the bus is traveling at one stop. That is, we can say it as we have to travel from Perundurai to Erode. Okay, here Perundurai to Erode. In between Perundurai to Erode, we have many number of stops. Okay, that is called as the series of state. Similarly, here it cannot move directly from one place to from this end to this end. Instead, it will be moving in a small variations. From this variations, it is one series of state, and this is one series of state. So that is called as the path. That is the path traced between the path traced from the state 1 and state 2 is called as path. Okay, understood? Have you all understood? Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
So I think you might have understood this, right? The difference between the term path as well as the process. Okay. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So Today we are going to first discuss about the zeroth law of thermodynamics. Okay, so we have studied about the types of equilibrium, right? A, B, and C. So the zeroth law states that when a body A and B is in equilibrium, also the body B and C is in equilibrium, then A and C will be automatically in equilibrium. Okay, so we can write the definition like this. When two bodies are in thermal equilibrium, with the third body separately, then they are also in equilibrium to each other. Okay, so this is the term, right? So how many of you understood this concept? Tell me frankly, how many of you understood this concept? இப்ப தெரியலன்னா சொல்லுங்க. I can explain it further. So are you people here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A Monday morning first hour, I want everyone to speak out.
Sir, we understood, sir.
So have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, listen. இது உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்காதுன்னு எனக்கு நல்லாவே தெரியும். ஆனா புரிஞ்சது மாதிரி நீங்க சொல்றீங்க இல்லையா? So I can put out a small example. Okay, suppose A is a friend. A is a boy who lives in Chennai. Okay, then B is also a boy who lives in what can we say it as in Nagarkoil. Okay, then C is the boy who lives in Erode. Okay, these two friends studied 12th together. Okay, then these two friends studied UG. Okay, UG, and if A and B is friend, B and C is friend, they are meeting. Okay, and these two friends are going for a tour. Then A வந்து B க்கு friend, C வந்து யாருக்கு friend? B ஓட friend. Then automatically A and C என்னவா இருப்பாங்க? ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப் ஆயிருவாங்க இல்லையா?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
அப்போ ஏயும் பியும் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப்ல இருக்காங்க, பியும் சியும் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப்ல இருக்காங்க. அப்போ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா என்ன நடக்கும்? ஏ அண்ட் சி வில் பி ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப். புரியுதா இல்லையா? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
அதே மாதிரி A is one among the system which is in equilibrium with body B. B is also a system which is in equilibrium with body C. Then A and C are in equilibrium. So this is called as the first law of zeroth law of thermodynamics. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So each and everywhere the thermodynamics law plays a major role. So next we are going to discuss about the first law of thermodynamics. Okay. So what can we say in that? When a system undergoes a cyclic process, then the net heat transfer is equal to the net work transfer. That is given by the expression the cyclic integral of dq is equal to dw. So this is the first law of thermodynamics. Okay, என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, if we produce 100% of heat is denoted as Q. Okay, இனிமேல் இருந்து உங்களுக்கு Qங்கிறது denote பண்றதுனாலே heat. Okay, and Wங்கிறது work. Okay, so it is expressed that when we give 100% of heat, we can expect 100% of work. Okay, that is when a system undergoes a cyclic process, then the net heat transfer is equal to the net work transfer. So we have seen the process. The process பார்த்தல்லப்பா, from this is the process 1 to 2. This is the point. Okay, cyclic process na enna? What do you mean by cyclic process or reversible process?
Sir, that process happens again and again.
Very good. From point 2 to 1, it will be in reverse condition, the cyclic. So the distance, that is the distance traveled by the piston from point 1 to 2 is called as one cycle, and from 2 to 1 is called as the cyclic process. Okay, so the process will be in reversible. Okay, for the reversible process, the cyclic integral of dq is equal to dw. Have you understood? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we can move on to the next topic called the law of conservation of energy. What do you mean by this law of conservation of energy? What do you mean by the law of conservation of energy? ராஜா, நீங்க இப்பதான் நீங்க கொரோனானால ஸ்கூலுக்கு காலேஜுக்கு வர்றது இல்ல. மத்தபடி நீங்க எல்லாமே you might have been studied in your earlier classes. So please tell me what is the law of conservation of energy? Start பண்ணடா. Can you able to complete it?
Neither be
Sir,
greater nor
energy
destroyed.
can
Very good. சொல்லுங்க.
Energy can neither be created nor destroyed.
Destroyed but it can be transformed from one form to another form. So that is called as the law of conservation of energy. Very good. Okay. So according to this, we can express that the heat cannot be converted completely into work. Instead, it has some internal energy. Okay. புரிஞ்சுதா? இப்போ I am teaching you thermodynamics, right? For you. May I expect 100% result from your side? That is Q. Input நான் கொடுக்கிறேன். 100% work உங்கள்ட்ட இருந்து எதிர்பார்க்க முடியுமா?
Not possible, sir.
Not possible. அப்படிதானே? So we need some extra work or extra coaching or extra assignments or extra special care to get you the 100%. That extra energy is called as the internal energy. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another. Okay, so that is heat transfer is equal to work done plus the change in internal energy. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
Okay, Papa?
yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Now, please take down a problem. First problem. Or we can start from a new lessons. Problem 1. So I think everyone might have been having note with you, right? Note எல்லாத்துலயும் இருக்கா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
காலையில எல்லாரும் பிரிஸ்கா பேசுங்கப்பா. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Monday morning first hour நீங்க எனர்ஜெட்டிக்கா இருந்தாதான் I can also be in energetic. இல்லையா?
Yes, sir.
லாஸ்ட் 2 days லாஸ்ட் 2 நாள் லீவு தானே? கொஞ்சம் பிரிஸ்கா இருங்க. தயவு செஞ்சு கொஞ்சம் பிரிஸ்கா இருங்க, ஆக்டிவா இருங்க. ஓகே? So you people are not a small child. உங்களை பிடிச்சி வச்சு நீங்க பதில் சொல்லுங்க சொல்லுது. அது அந்த லெவல் மெச்சூரிட்டி லெவல்ல நீங்க அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு you answer it. Okay? Okay, please take down. During a flow processes 5 kilowatt paddle wheel work is supplied while internal energy of the system increases in 1 minute as 200 kilojoule. Find the heat transfer when there is no other form of energy transfer. Okay, so first read out the question. Here in thermodynamics, one important concept is there: work done by the system. Okay, done by the system, and the work given to the system. Two conditions are there. So work done by the system is positive, and the work given to the system is considered as negative. Okay, here in the given data, we have work done, that is 5 kilowatt. Here they have given the work is supplied. So supplied in வந்துச்சுனா இங்க என்ன வரும்? What it will come? Plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus. Very good. 5 kilowatt. Okay, and delta U, that is the change in internal energy. Internal energy is denoted by the letter delta U. Okay, here they have given us the internal energy of the system increases in 1 minute as 200 kilojoule. That is 200 kilojoule per minute. That is 200 divided by 60. How much? How much? How much?
3.33.
எவ்வளவுப்பா?
3.33.
3.33. யூனிட் என்ன? கிலோஜூல் per second. So இனிமேல் இருந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா, this kilojoule per second is called as kilowatt. A joule per second is called as watt. Okay, that is called as kilowatt. சரிதாப்பா?
Yes,
Then
sir.
we need to find out the heat transfer. Heat transfer notations என்ன? Heat transfer denote பண்ற அந்த alphabetic letter என்னப்பா?
Q.
Q. Heatனாலே இனி thermodynamicsல Q தான். Okay, we need to find out Q. Okay, then next, how we can find out this Q? Q is equal to del U plus W. இல்லையா? கரெக்டாப்பா?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
3.33. work done என்னது? minus 5. So what is the answer?
Minus 1.67.
Very good. 1.67 kilowatt. So here the Q is denoted in negative sign. Okay. Negative sign indicates that the heat is transferred from the system. Understood? That is, the heat is transferred from the system. புரியுதா?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, have you all take down? எழுதிருக்கீங்களா? Please take down this problem. I will give you 5 minutes. Please take Raja, have you all completed? Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
sir.
good. Okay. You take down another problem. Problem 2. The following data refer to a closed system which undergoes a thermodynamics cycle consisting of four parameters. Okay. Put 3 column: process, heat transfer, and work transfer. Okay. Now the process A to B, the heat transfer is 50,000 and there is no work transfer. Okay. And process B to C, we have minus 5,000 heat transfer and 34,200. Now C to D, it is minus 16,000 and here it is 2,200. And process D to A, we have no work transfer and minus 3,000. Okay. So these are the various process. We need to find number 1, net rate of work output as megawatt. Number 2 is the efficiency of the cycle. Okay, so this is the problem. Please take down. Have we completed? Raja, complete பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
எல்லாரும் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Ladies?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, whenever a problem is given, we need to write the given data. Okay. So, what is the heat transfer for the process A to B?
50,000.
Yeah. 50. Sorry. இதுல வந்து ஒரு யூனிட் மட்டும் போட்டுக்கோங்கப்பா. யூனிட் போடல. கிலோஜூல் பெர் மினிட். இங்கேயும் அதே மாதிரி. கிலோஜூல் பெர் மினிட். சாரிப்பா, மறந்துட்டேன். Here also the kilojoule per minute. Okay. What is the process B to C? B to C ki heat transfer என்ன?
Minus 5,000.
Minus 5,000 kilojoule per minute.
Per minute.
ஓகே ஓகே. எனக்கு பெருந்தகவல்னு கேட்டா அதுதான் எனக்கு புரியல. ஓகேங்க சார். minus 5000 kilojoule per minute. And Q C2D எவ்வளவுப்பா?
minus 16,000 kilojoule per
Minus
minute.
16,000 kilojoule per minute. And Q D2A?
0, sir.
0. Very good. So அதே மாதிரி similar work A to B?
0.
0. Work B to C?
24,200 kilojoule per minute.
34,000.
24.
Huh?
24.
24 இல்லடா 34.
Okay.
34. ஓகேங்களா? Then WC to D?
2,200 minus 2,200 kilojoule
Minus,
per
ah?
minute. Yes, sir.
Okay. And D to A?
Minus 3,000 kilojoule per minute.
Minus 3,000 kilojoule per minute. Oh, very good. So we need to find that is the cyclic integral of work done and what is this? Efficiency
Efficiency.
solution. Okay, so the dq can be written as q of A to B, q of B to C, plus q of C to D, plus q of D to A. What is the answer? Answer என்னப்பா?
So Q answer is 29,000.
29,000, sir.
29,000 kilojoule per minute. அதே மாதிரி work transfer கண்டுபிடிங்க.
35,000, sir.
எவ்வளவுப்பா?
35,000, sir.
வராதே. செக் பண்ணி பாருங்க. அதே தான் வரும். 29,000 kilojoule per minute. From first law of thermodynamics, we know that the cyclic integral of dq is equal to cyclic integral of dw. Clear? Then net work output is equal to, that is 29,000 divided by 60. How much?
$483.33
Yeah. Unit?
kilojoule
இது
per
வந்து kilojoule per minute we have converted to kilojoule per second. அப்ப இது இருக்குது kilowatt மாறும். Okay, kilowatt. So we need the answer in megawatt. Clear? 483.3 kilowatt இருக்கு. We need the answer in megawatt. Megawatt வரணும்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? இத மார்க்ஸ்ல கன்வர்ட் பண்ணா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? into 10 to the power 3. Okay, very good. இதே மாதிரி எனக்கு மெகாவாட்ல வரணும், என்ன பண்ணலாம்?
Mega 10 power 6, sir. Opinion into 10 power 3, sir.
10 to the power
6, sir.
இப்படி போடலாம். எப்படின்னா 483.3 kilowatt divided by 1000. போட்டீங்கன்னா you will be getting 0.48 megawatt. Okay ba? Now we need to find out the efficiency. Efficiency is given by work done by heat supplied. What is the maximum work done? That is 29,000 divided by what is the maximum heat transfer? heat transferல maximum value எவ்வளவுப்பா?
50,000, sir.
50,000. Now 29,000 divided by 50,000. What is the answer?
0.58.
0.58 into 100. We will be getting this 58%. So the efficiency of the system is 58%. So whenever you take this heat, the heat transfer, you always take the positive heat transfer. Okay, positive தான் எடுக்கணும். புரியுதாப்பா? Always take positive heat transfer. Q ஓட வேல்யூ எப்பவுமே பாசிட்டிவா தான் இருக்கணும். Right? So have you all understood this concept?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please take down this problem. இது சென்ட் இது நான் உங்களுக்கு வாட்ஸ்அப்ல பிடிஎஃப்ல சென்ட் பண்ணட்டுமா? கிளாஸ் குரூப்ல.
Okay, sir.
நான் பிடிஎஃப் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி I will be sending you the same. Okay, so up to this,
Yes,
if
sir.
people are having any doubt
No doubt, sir.
with this two problem, the problem, இந்த ரெண்டு ப்ராப்ளம்ல ஏதாவது உங்களுக்கு டவுட் இருக்கா?
No, sir.
ஓகே, பசங்க சொல்றீங்க, கேர்ள்ஸ்?
No, sir.
ஓகே, அப்போ உங்களுக்கு எல்லாமே தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு. குட். So I can give you one. So you, உங்க வீட்ல எல்லாருக்கும் நீங்க கரண்ட் பில் கட்டுவீங்கன்னு நீங்க நம்புறேன். ஓகே, ஸோ ஒரே ஒரு ஜெனரல் கொஸ்டின் பா. உங்க வீட்ல இபில மெஷர் பண்ண வருவாங்க இல்லையா, ரீடிங் பாத்துருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
அப்ப அவங்க சொல்லிட்டு போவாங்க, இத்தனை யூனிட் கன்சியூம்ஸ் ஆன் ஆயிருக்கு, இவ்வளவு யூனிட் எரிஞ்சிருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா? பாத்துருக்கீங்களா? கேட்டிருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by 1 unit? இதுதான் நாளைக்கு உங்களுக்கு காலையில நான் வந்த உடனே கேட்பேன், நாளைக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அவர். ஓகே, இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் அட்டெண்டிங் டுடேஸ் கிளாஸ். தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you, sir.